hell vine is that?
With hog meat.
Cocky whiz?
Hog meat, man. For goats. But it's not. Goat love it, you know.
Oh.
But I need it. To do something. Yeah, goat eat it. But I need it now. People, whenever I see something like this, go like this, maybe me rock up with them. So we fucking crazy. Them crazy. It's because of all the people there, you know. I want it tonight when it put up on it. Because it go up, you know. People like it. A string where I use cooking now, if you look on that straight string where I use cook.
Ah.
Oh, fuck.
So the goats like the leaves?
Yeah, man.
And you like this?
The goat like it, me like it now. I'm doing business now, so I'm busy with it too, you know, just like the goat, you know, brother. Why not? Sweet.
Oh, yeah. It's a shirtless work day. Some offices, places where you work, they have Hawaiian shirt Friday, casual Fridays. This is our casual Friday. And it is Friday today, too.
Yeah. Ras Kitchen Friday.
Ras Kitchen Friday.
I have no idea. Yeah.
What?
I sweet at you. What?
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
I don't know neither.
Do you wrap these and then bake them for the dessert thing? Wow, I'm so confused.
No confused, man.
This is good. I was wondering what those are doing sitting there.
Good. Man, look at the...
You want my Leatherman? It's pretty sharp. You want it. Oh man, that's awesome. Legit.
You will see it. When it work out, brother. If it work out.
If
it work out to anything.
that's the case with anything.
We call this, Matthew, BOYO. This is BOYO, yeah?
Oh.
Good. That's so easy then. In leaf and string. I think upon this you taste it just like it tastes when you taste it, eh?
Well, you had me in suspense the whole time.
Fuck are you?
I don't know.
You're some fucking puzzle, man.
I don't know what is going on.
You see it now though, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the way, that's the thing what we're making now, brother. People did. Asking question over this thing, man.
I don't know what it is, but it looks important.
It's fucking look important, man.
I was gonna go for a swim, and then I saw you over here doing something interesting. I had to show up.
Yeah, man, why not? You're a video, man.
BOYO.
BOYO. BOYO Matthew, BOYO this. I know China leave it prepare. No folk curry. See that? Who can prepare it now they leave like this? You see? You have to scale because if you slip.
Is that just like banana leaf? Different kind.
Banana leaf. But Rasta man warm it. Make it get to soft. Whoa!
Well, that's what I was gonna say. It looked very dark, so I wasn't sure if it was a banana leaf. So, pick it, let it out in the sun for a bit.
Warm it down pot there.
Oh, boil it straight up. Wow. I was gonna say, because the color was so different than what I was thinking.
Mokko change the mood.
Right.
Yeah, man, RIBBIT. RIBBIT. So you know that. The man have skillful bloodcleet, man, them way. So, you can't do some dangerous thing, you know. Cook food in and sitting people. Hide him. And then one come a Ras Kitchen. Ras, what is the thing that you're mattering and make them? He said, that no have no time now.
Yeah, this one takes a bit of work.
You never see how much work it take.
Oh.
I can't deal with the pure crap business no. Heavy, you know, Matthew.
Yeah. Yeah, solid.
Yeah, I ain't not cook it, eh?
No. Keep a few people fed that one that weight.
Keep you fed.
No one's going hungry.
So where Mokko have to prepare this ital thing. Really vital situation, brother. Palm banana leaves. Can't cook food, man. We can live. We can go into the mountain and don't have any plate. We just cook it in banana leaves just like this. Yes! Yes! Wrap it like a flower, you know?
Yeah.
Was just skillful. A guy that to make all these things. It work.
Yeah.
It will work more.
My friends in Brazil and I, when I was used to travel there a lot when I was younger, if we ran out of papers, we'd use some dried banana leaf to roll the spliff.
Yeah.
So I smoked enough spliffs in Brazil with Fabricio and Pedro, my skateboard buddies in Rio, and blazing up some banana spliffs and using a little bit to tie them up because they don't stick, but
Get them up.
we made it work.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, banana, what a wicked plant. Tied up real good.
Yeah.
It's not coming out of that one.
No water going there, no fuck because I want it to eat. If water going there, we get fuck, man. We don't have nothing to eat or ask. So we have to prepare it good. Ease off, water, ease off. Water, hood and land and water, and Jamaica,
Yeah.
Green Island. See them? Fuck. We have to put them one time. If not, because we don't want some boy left some, cook left some, yeah?
No.
That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I can could I eat it right, you know, imagine.
No, I could eat it raw.
Right, you know, because you know, it actually can eat, you know. What you want to cook in that leave?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh dear.
Oh dear. My dear.
My dear.
Last one looks like.
That's for 1 minute and 4 minutes, me lick out them, man. Just to show the people that we're not going to do it like when they see this liquor from this palm video. Everybody want to come and taste this, man. Now wrap it like rice and flour shop, you know. You see that? Ah, oh,
Whoa.
oh. People ain't say what the video them we make, we have too much, we run too much joking there and laughing, you know. When you are full of energy, man, you say, when you have the camera up on your whole time, you know, you say what you mean. A mission, you know. Carry out it, that'll be complete, you know that. The real stuff.
This is it, Bubba.
Yes, Baba.
Yeah, stack them up. Wow.
Folk. You know, see, I could cook with and eat them though. We soon eat.
All right. I can be patient, I guess.
Already, so it's a cool off, you know. One of them boys, I think, you know.
That was in there about 2 hours, I'd say, yeah?
More.
BOYO dinner?
Yes, right.
What answer? Plan?
Plant dumpling.
Ratty.
Plant dumpling.
And then you eat one and your belly are going full up. You
No.
will never eat until a morning.
No.
Ask grandfather.
No.
Ask grandfather.
No.
Ask
All
grandfather.
I tell.
Yes, Ratty, and now you are going to eat and your belly are going full. You don't want a dinner.
Gone in a book.
I love a book.
Yeah, is everything done today, Anita?
Yeah, we got so much today. It's crazy.
My God.
Productive day.
Tree chop down, draw down, big tree.
Big fencing, ready to go.
Ready to go, you know.
You know they chill.
Boat.
Land, man. Good land up there, man.
BOYO.
Put that.
Yeah, man. Check it out, man.
It's
Damn it.
heavy.
Yeah,
I feel like
man.
this is a meal right
Yeah,
here.
right there.
Me.
Mmm. It's like a mix of a
Man.
bread and a cake, but it's super heavy and like
See the rat.
substantial. You could eat this and you're good for hours.
Yeah, enough of your wife for days.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Just
Yeah, Rasta stuff, man.
And fresh
that
too.
is so cool.
Ah.
It tastes like an epic, like crazy jam-packed full of energy banana bread, but there's no banana in here. It's
Can't
all
go
this
eat the
stuff.
food.
I do it cold, I do it hot.
Yeah,
When it's hot, it's good.
it's so nice and warm.
When
too.
it's cool,
Ah.
it's
No.
not good.
See? That's why you know.
Power.
Yeah, man. See,